Hi. Okay. This is what we are going to do. If you are using phone, once you finish downloading your Canva and then you've registered, you've signed up rather, you sign up and then you log in. Once you log in, the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to come to this place. Once we log in, it will take us directly here. I want to tell us this. I want to tell us this. This is not a professional way of designing a flyer. This is just a basic you know basic designs. So once you learn, I believe you already learned the basic principle of sorry, the fundamental principle of graphic design. So you are a social media marketer and then you want to design a flyer or a banner for your products or services. So and you want to use a different kind of social media platform for it. There are other social media platform you can use there. This is for Facebook, LinkedIn, and all those stuff. But since you want to use it for all social media platforms, so you need to click on social media. Can I find social media? Oh, social media. I think I just saw it before now. Just a moment. Okay, your story, whiteboard. I'm coming. So just a moment. I don't know. I've seen it before now. Um, let me. Okay, here we are. So is there. We have the social media. So I'll click on social media. Once I click on social media, it will ask me, do I want to use a Facebook? Blah blah blah. So I will tell it that I want to use all social media because I want to use the flyer or the banner for all social media platforms. So this is social media. Is there? So I'll click on it. It's loading already. It's loading. Okay, so here we are, and then it will show so many prepared designs. So we have so many designs here. The one with naira on top are the paid design that you have to use a credit card to buy, and the ones that doesn't have that naira are the free design, so you can make use of any of them. Let me just look for any of these we can use. Okay, so let's just pick one. It's loading now. So once you click on it, it will load. Let me show you again what I just selected. We are digital marketing agency. So that's what I just clicked on now. So I'll click on it, or I either use these three icon on that flyer. These three dots. So I click on the three dots and I I I pick customize this template. So I click on that, or I just click on the flyer directly. It will take me here. So both of these things will take me here. It's loading already, so I'll be very fast with this because of my battery. I'll be very fast with it. I'm coming. Loading. I think it's still loading. Yeah, it's here now. It has finished loading. So from the fundamental um digital graphic design, the fundamental principle of that graphic design we learned that you when you are designing, there are colors that match each one another, and there are colors that doesn't match one another, so you have to be very careful. So you can change the colors on this design if you don't like them, and if you are okay with it, in less than 5 minutes you are done. So you don't need to change any color, just put in whatever you want to put. So let me start with the logo. So I'll click on this logo here. I'll click on the logo here, as you can see here. So I want to select, doesn't have replace, so I'll click on down the phone here. You have a plus with purple icon, so I'll click on that. So do we have templates, elements, gallery? If you have a what's it called, if you have a logo on your phone, so just click on gallery. gallery. Once you click on gallery, you find a logo. Then you search for the logo on your phone. I'm coming, still searching. So let me just use this. So I just click on it. It said add as new page. No, add to the page. So we click on add to the page. Once you click on add to the page, it will load. We have it here already. So once we have it here already, I will click on the logo has four sides. So with a circle, white circle pointing at each of the corner. So at one of the corner, so I'll just click on it and I'll drag in to reduce the size. So as you can see, just drag in to reduce the size. The one here, the logo here, I have to reduce it, I have to remove it. So I'll click on the delete. As you can see, delete the bin at the top beside the three dots. So I'll click on that bin, so it will remove that. So I'll click on my logo, then I will drag it to where it's supposed to be. I'll drag it there. I will not waste our time with this, so I have to be very fast. So this now I'll click on the logo. As you can see, this is it like a wheel, or what's it called? This thing beside the tongue. This one is for tongue. The other one is for shifting. So this I will click on it. As you can see, I will drag it to the side. This logo, let me reduce the logos. Let me reduce the size again. So just use your hand to to control it. I think it's okay like that. You see, that wheel I'm talking about is showing purple now. It's showing purple, while the turn round is showing white at the top. So the wheel is showing purple now, purple inside of it. So that's what we are going to use to to control it. So I'll click on logo now, then I'll click on edit. So on edit, I can just write, what's the name? I can just write JUHOPS fabrics. Why now? JUHOPS fabrics. As you can see, it's too big. So I'll come to the font size. At the down side of the phone, we have edit, font size, color. So I'll click on font size. Once I click on font size, it's 22. So I can reduce it. I can come to 22 here, and then I say I want to change it to 18, and I'll click on enter. Or I'll come to the font size here, then I'll drag in. As you can see, yeah, I think 16 is the best here. So once you have that, so we come to tagline. Tagline is like your slogan. So let me just put something. This is not prepared. It's not prepared something. Before you can make your design, you need to have your understanding of what you want to do, the full understanding of of your products. So what you do, your logo, what you offer, and every other thing. So the pictures you need to add, you need to plan it before you come here and design it. So on the tagline, let me just type your beauty beauty is a pride. A pride. So as you can see, it's big as well. It's big, so I have to reduce it. But don't forget to come to font size down there, then you change, you reduce it. I'll click on that wheel that looks like that, like a jack, like a car jack, it looks like a car jack. If you want to jack your car, want to remove what's it called? You want to remove the tire. So that's what we're going to use to drag it. That's what we're going to use to drag your um either your picture or your text. So I think it's okay now. Wow, it's okay there. So at here we said we are instead of that we are, let's say we can type we sell, as in we sell. So I'll click on edit, the computer keyboard. So I'll click on we sell uh the digital here, uh let's say original marketing. On this marketing, oh, that original is too big, so we need to reduce the size as well, since we're following the trend. And sorry, we are following the template, so we have to follow it well. So marketing, on the marketing here we can say original clothing we say original clothing. Okay, I can say fabrics. So this will sell. I think it's too big for me. If it's okay for you, you can leave it, but I just want to reduce the size more. Okay, so this share and sell something, I don't think is necessary, so I can remove it. So if you are using a flyer, sorry, if you are using a design and don't like some of those things there, you can remove it. It's not compulsory that everything on the as the template is on what you want to design. You can remove some of those things, because you want to use this flyer to support your content or your copyright. So for your social media advertisement, so there's no need of putting everything you want to write. There's no need of putting everything you want to you want to showcase to your customers, your targeted customers, or on social media. You don't need to put everything on the flyer. Your content or your copyright is supposed to carry all those things. So just few things has to be done, has to be put on your how may I put it, on your yeah on your flyer. So I'm going to remove this now. So where is it? I just remove it. So then from this learn more, let's edit learn more. So on this learn more, let's say shop now. Yeah, shop now. So as time goes on, you're going to learn more about commands you are going to use in your social media advertisement. The commands you need to use, like buy now, call us, all those call up actions and all those stuff. So you learn more about them as time goes on. So yeah, this is okay. I think this is okay for shopping. So I don't think I should remove these three what's it called, these ones. I don't think I should remove them. So say call to find more, call to find out more, call to find out more. Is it call to find out more? Should we use call to find out more, or we say okay, I can leave it like that and I can change it, but because of our time, so I can't even think straight on what to type. So the number now, let's say 07069411307. Oh, anyhow. So let me reduce the size of the number. That's contact. Let me reduce the size a little bit. Okay. So okay, as you can see, my own logo and the background color does not really match. They, uh, they don't really match each other. So let me see if I can change that color, or if possible, I'm going to leave it that way. Um, okay, let me see. It's just because of our time. Is this okay? Okay, let me click on this plus here and see if I can find. Mm. Okay, so I think I can increase the font size. If you want to change the font, you can change it. So let's see. I want to increase the font size here. Yes, I want to increase it. See, if you want to extend it, no, this is short, so you can click on this and drag like this. So that is to extend it. So that is for extension. No, I don't want to waste much of our time. The more I do this, the more data it consumes. So since I was it's just for you to understand how to design. That is why I'm doing this. I want to increase this as well. Okay, so let me reduce the size. I still need to reduce the size more a bit. Okay, so what else do we need to adjust here? So let's change the background, the picture here. So to a picture of a cloth, like a shopping store. So you can use your own picture, maybe your store picture, the picture of your store rather, or the picture of the product or services you are offering, or you can download, you can Google for any meaningful or beautiful picture online, then you download, then you replace it with this. So or you search online on this Canva, you can also search on this Canva. So let me click on replace now. Down the phone here we have a replace color. I'll click on replace. Just a moment. So I'll click on replace. So once I click on replace, we have a gallery, upload videos. So what I'm going to click on is a photo. I want to search. I don't have any picture photo of what this is called, of what's it clothing on my phone. So let me just click on photo. So the photo is it will take me to the Canva photo. So we have so many photos there. So let me type. I'll click on search here. Then I'll click on clothes. Clothes. So I can say clothes or clothing materials or clothing. So once I click on this, so we have so many cloth pictures here. So we just select one. Like I said, the one with Naira or what's it called, or crown are the one to buy, are the one for are the one for sale. So the other ones are not for sale. So just select any picture here. So once you click on it, then it will automatically change to this thing. And then once you are done, once check your picture very well, check the what's it called. So once you're done with it and looks beautiful, so you just come to the top here. At the top here, you find arrow hub. Okay, let's the first icon at the right or at the left hand side there is a like a house. Then we see undo. After undo, we have redo. So if you make any mistake and you want to undo, so just click on this undo. If you are used to a system, a computer, you understand what the word undo means. So the three dots here are there. The arrow down is for save, and then while the arrow top is for download. So I'll click on download, not to waste our time. I'll click on download. Once I click on download, as you can see, it brings me to download there. So I'll click on download. So then I said save download settings. Save download settings. Does it matter? I don't know. I don't think it's needed or it's compulsory. So you can save it, cannot, and you like, you may not save it. So you don't need to touch anything here. Just come here and then you click on download. So once you click on download, as you can see, it's loading already. It's loading, it's loading. So once it's finished loading and then it's finished downloading, you should be able to see it on your gallery, on your phone gallery, Sorry for this light out. I just minimize my phone. I need to charge my phone. It's almost done. Canva used to drain battery. It really used to drain battery. So if you are using Canva, you have to be very careful. Like you have to you have to make sure you have enough battery on your laptop or your phone, and it also consume what's it called? It also consume data. So you have to be very fast with whatever you are doing there, and then make sure you know what you are doing. This is not an app you can do. So let me pause here. Once you finish downloading, you will see it. That is it. So any question, feel free to ask me. Thank you. What's happening here? Wow.